Welcome to day 18 of the Money Savvy Challenge. Come on back and I'm going to give you the tip on what you should be doing today. Hey there, and thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks as you go on your road to know your money. So today is day 18, and we are talking about what you should be doing today to get savvy with your money. One of the most important things that I believe in is paying down debt. We should normalize basically paying off debt. That's what I believe, because our nation has so much debt, not just individually but collectively. And so if you can get into the habit or have the ability to pay off your debt, pay it down as much as possible, that is a great place to be. So for today, my tip is that you would start paying down your debt by setting up a payoff plan or some type of plan for you and your family members or your spouse or whoever to start paying down your debt slowly but surely. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do it. Some people prefer to pay off the debt with the highest interest first. I suggest that you pay off debt that has the lowest amount of debt first. So for example, you might have a credit card bill or a car payment, or a loan out, and the amount might be $500. So if you start small and start paying that debt off first, you can celebrate your wins every time you pay off something. So once you pay off that loan, that first loan, then you can celebrate, and then you can go on to the next thing and start chipping away at that. Of course, you're not going to stop paying the other items, but you will throw a little bit of extra money at that lowest debt first. So for example, say you have your mortgage, your car payment, maybe regular credit cards that you pay every month, but like I said, you have this one loan that you took out for maybe you took out a loan for a ring. And that's $500. Well, of course, you're going to still pay all of the payments on all those other debts, but maybe your minimum payment for your ring is $100 a month. Well, I suggest allocating $200 to that loan so that you can pay it off faster. This will help you in the long run, because then it will also not only alleviate that debt, but also you can maybe get a lower interest rate if you go back to try to get another loan from that company. So I hope this information has helped you. If you have not grabbed that free calendar yet, please go ahead and go in the description box. I have the link to it down there. It is free. If you click on the link, you can get that calendar today, and every tip on every day is for this month. However, you can use it all year long. You can pass it on to your friends and family. You guys can do it as a family. You can take it to school, maybe to give it to your schoolmates. It's various ways that you can do it, but if you keep this calendar, it will help you every single day of the year. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have not seen videos 1 through 17 or days 1 through 17, I will put a link to that up here up top, and I'll also put it in the description box so that you can watch those videos and you'll get help from those as well. Thank you for joining me. Hope that you like this. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Have a good one. Thank you and bye.